Now we are going to learn the integrals in the form of a raised to x plus b upon c raised to x plus d. बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है ये, और ये जो नया सिलेबस आया है उसी में ये इंटीग्रल्स है। इस टाइप के इंटीग्रल्स पहले नहीं होते थे, तो यू शुड एक्सपेक्ट सम्स ऑन दिस पार्ट, क्योंकि इसका पहला जो नए सिलेबस का जो पहला 12th स्टैंडर्ड का बैच था वो पिछले साल होने वाला था 2021 में, जो हुआ नहीं है, एग्जाम कैंसिल हो गई। अब 2022 में इसका एग्जाम होगा और होगा ये HSC का एग्जाम। ओके, यू विल हैव अ रिटर्न एग्जाम। तो ये आप बहुत एक्सपेक्ट करो, बहुत ही इजी है। इस टाइप के इंटीग्रल्स को सॉल्व करने के लिए एक सिंपल फॉर्मूला है। यू विल कंसिडर न्यूमरेटर इज इक्वल्स टू a into denominator plus b into derivative of denominator. Okay. And your answer will be the integration a into e raised to x plus b upon c into e raised to x plus d dx. This will be in a form of ax plus b log of c raised to x plus d plus c. इस फॉर्मेट में आपका आंसर आएगा। बहुत ही इजी होता है ये मेथड, बिल्कुल, मतलब आपको कुछ ज्यादा करना नहीं है, लेकिन हाँ ए और बी की वैल्यू निकालनी होती है हम लोगों को, जो इसी सब्स्टिट्यूशन से आ जाएगा, इसी से आ जाती है वो वैल्यू। सो लेट अस टेक एन एग्जांपल। 5.3 का फर्स्ट एग्जांपल, इंटीग्रेशन 3e raised to 2t plus 5 upon 4e raised to 2t minus 5 dt. So the numerator is 3e raised to 2t plus 5 is equals to a into denominator. Denominator is 4e raised to 2t minus 5 plus b into d dt of denominator 4e raised to 2t minus 5. 3e raised to 2t plus 5 is equals to a 4e raised to 2t minus 5 plus b. What is derivative of 4e raised to 2t minus 5? It is 4e raised to 2t is e raised to 2t into t. And derivative of 5 is 0. So I will get 3 e raised to 2t plus 5 is equals to a 4 e raised to 2t minus 5a plus b into 8 e raised to 2t. Now see, if I say 3 e raised to 2t plus 5, I will take e raised to 2t common or 4 e raised to 2t common here. I will get a plus 2b minus 5a. Now see, if I want to tally this, I will equate this with this and this with this. So I will say minus 5a is equals to 5. So a is minus 1. And 3 e raised to 2t is equals to 4 e raised to 2t. This is 3 e raised to 2t is equals to 4 e raised to 2t into bracket a plus 2b. हे आणि हे कॅन्सल झालं, This is 3 by 4 is equals to a plus 2b. I can put the value of a, so it is 3 by 4 minus 1 plus 2b. 2b is 3 by 4 plus 1. 2b is 7 by 4. B is 7 by 8. A is minus 1, B is 7 by 8. Now the numerator, this can be written as minus 1 into this plus 7 by 8 into 8 2t. So I can write the entire integration as a denominator 4 e raised to 2t plus minus 5 plus 7 by 8 into derivative of denominator is 8 e raised to 2t. Whole thing upon denominator 4 e raised to 2t minus 5. Now see, this a is not a. This is minus 1. So I'll put the value here. So I'll get integration minus 4 e raised to 2t plus 5 plus 7 by 8 into 8 e raised to 2t. Whole thing upon 4 e raised to 2t minus 5. Integration minus 4 e raised to 2t minus 5 upon 4 e raised to 2t minus 5. मी याच्यातनं पुन्हा minus 1च कॉमन ठेवलेलं आहे. Minus 7 by 8. It is integration 8 e raised to 2t upon 4 e raised to 2t minus 5. Now this is this and this will get cancelled. This is minus 1. And here, instead of cancelling 8 and 8, this is derivative of this. So the answer here will be log of 4 e raised to 2t minus 1. So it is integration minus 1 dt plus 7 by 8 d dt of 4 e raised to 2t minus 5 upon 4 e raised to 2t minus 5. तो ये हो जाएगा minus t plus 7 by 8 log of 4 e raised to 2t minus 5 whole thing plus c. क्योंकि ये तो f dash of x upon f of x हो गया था, तो वो log of f of x हो जाएगा. This is your answer. Second sum of 5.3. It is integration 20 minus 12 e raised to x upon 3 e raised to x minus 4 dx. अब इसको पहले पहचानना कैसे है? तो क्या ये a e raised to x plus b and c e raised to x plus d के फॉर्म में है? हाँ, तो हम लोग इसे ऐसे डालेंगे, let 20 minus 12 e raised to x be equal to a into denominator, that is 3 e raised to x minus 4 plus b into derivative of 3 e raised to x minus 4. This will be a 3 e raised to x minus 4 now 20 minus 12 e raised to x is equals to a into 3 e raised to x minus 4 plus b. What is the derivative of 3 e raised to x? It is 3 e raised to x minus 4 is the derivative 0. This is your thing. So it is 20 minus 12 e raised to x is equals to 3a e raised to x minus 4a plus 3b e raised to x. So I can take 3 e raised to x common. I will get a plus b minus 4a This is minus 12 e raised to x plus 20. Now see what we can equate. Can we equate this and this? So मैं बोलूंगी 12 e raised to x is equals to 3 e raised to x a plus b, and this will be 20 is equals to minus 4a. This is minus 4 is equals to a plus b, और यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? a is equals to minus pi. अब ये माइनस पाई हम लोग इसमें डाल देंगे, तो माइनस पाई प्लस b is equals to minus 4. So b is 1, right? So a is minus pi and b is 1. Now once we have got the values of a and b, in this integration, in place of the numerator, we'll substitute this. So now integration 20 minus 12 e raised to x upon 3 e raised to x minus 4 dx is equals to integration minus 5 3 e raised to x minus 4 अब b की वैल्यू क्या आई है 1, so that is plus 1. What is derivative of denominator? 3 e raised to x. 3 e raised to x whole thing upon 3 e raised to x minus 4 dx. इसे हम लोग ऐसे लिखेंगे अभी, minus 5 integration 3 e raised to x minus 4 upon 3 e raised to x minus 4 dx plus integration 3 e raised to x upon 3 e raised to x minus 4 dx. This and this will get cancelled. Minus pi integration 1 dx plus this is integration derivative of 3 e raised to x minus 4 upon 3 e raised to x minus 4. तो f of x, f dash of x upon f of x dx. तो ये हो जाएगा minus 5x plus log of 3 e raised to x minus 4 plus c. This is your final answer. ये 4 मार्क के लिए सम आ सकता है और मेरे अंदाजे से डेफिनेटली आएगा क्योंकि नया पार्ट है, पहले के पोर्शन में ये नहीं था. This will definitely come and the process is also very easy. Now question number 3 is integration 3 e raised to x plus 4 2 e raised to x minus 8. वापस सेम ही करना है हम लोगों को. न्यूमरेटर 3 e raised to x plus 4 is equals to a into डिनोमिनेटर. या ये लिखने से पहले ना हम लोग एक काम और करेंगे. We'll write down the formula. Okay, we'll write down के numerator is equals to a into denominator plus b into d dx of denominator. So this is 3 e raised to x plus 4 is equals to a, denominator is 2 e raised to x minus 8 plus b into derivative of 2 e raised to x minus 8. This is 3 e raised to x plus 4 is equals to a. So I'll multiply this a inside. हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव ही इधर क्या है कि e raised to x वाले सारे टर्म को इकट्ठा ले लेना है. So this will be 2a e raised to x minus 8a plus b into what is the derivative of 2 e raised to x? It is 2 e raised to x. So 3 e raised to x plus 4 is equals to 2a e raised to x plus 2b e raised to x minus 8a. 3 e raised to x plus 4 is equals to e raised to x into 2a plus 2b minus 8a. Now we will equate this with this and this with this. तो अब हम लोग जब इक्वेट करेंगे तो हमको a और b की वैल्यू मिलेगी. ये पूरा इसलिए करना है ताकि a और b की वैल्यू मिल जाए, तो फिर आगे का हम लोग इंटीग्रेशन बराबर से कर सकते हैं. इसको और एक तरीका है, वो भी मैं बताऊंगी आपको, लेकिन हमको सॉल्व तो इसी मेथड से करना होता है. तो 4 is equals to minus 8a, so a will become minus 1/2, 8 उधर चला जाएगा, और ये होगा 2a plus 2b is equals to 3, क्योंकि ये e raised to x तो कैंसिल हो जाता है. तो 2 into minus 1/2 plus 2b is equals to 3. So this is minus 1 plus 2b is equals to 3. 2b is equals to 4. b is equals to 2. तो a minus 1/2 है और b 2 है. Now we will put these values here. So now your integration 3 raised to x plus 4 upon 2 raised to x minus 8 dx is equal to integration minus 1/2 2 raised to x minus 8. Then b की वैल्यू क्या है 2 plus 2 e raised to x, derivative of e raised to x minus 8, whole thing upon 2 e raised to x minus 8. So this will be minus 1/2 integration 2 e raised to x minus 8 upon 2 e raised to x minus 8 plus 2 e raised to x upon 2 e raised to x minus 8. ये डिनोमिनेटर तो 2 e raised to x ही था, तो सिर्फ इसी में हम लोगों ने a और b की वैल्यू डाल दी और कुछ भी नहीं है. Now this and this will get cancelled. This will become minus 1/2 integration 1 dx plus 2. This is integration d dx of 2 e raised to x, that is derivative, upon 2 e raised to x minus 8 dx. तो ये तो हो जाएगा minus x/2 plus 2. ये होगा log of 2 e raised to x minus 8 plus c. This is because integration of f dash of x upon f of x dx is equals to log of f of x plus c. This is your answer.